Hey, it's Bill the Handyman. Today I'm working on a coin-op slider, and so the problem with this one was that it would engage fine, but it wouldn't pull back out. So what I had to do is I had to smooth down two surfaces, basically. This is this bottom surface of the slider. It allows it to pull back, and these are the arms that go on the bottom of this. That hold the slider in place. Basically, they hold the slider in place until the coins go in. When the coins go in, these come up, and then you can push the slider in. But what had happened is once it goes in, it would hang up here. So what I had to do is I had to smooth these edges here and shave this one down a little bit here to make it slide back in. And of course I'll lube it up again too. So that's your coin-op tip for today. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, you can contact me at applianceworks@yahoo.com, appliance-works@webs.com. And phone number is 707-445-1591.